Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You want to start fast. Charge both earbuds fully and confirm the case is powered so they can sync. Clean the contacts and speaker mesh because dirt often blocks sound. Use a soft brush and isopropyl on a swab. Next, unpair from your phone and toggle Bluetooth off, then back on. This clears transient link issues. If one side still fails, try pairing to a second device to see whether the issue is with the ears or the source. Once done with basic checks, perform a factory reset on the earbuds to restore pairing logic. Power them off, then follow the JBL reset sequence until the LEDs indicate a reset. Repair both earbuds together. Make sure you put them in pairing mode simultaneously so one isn't stuck as a secondary. While pairing, check your phone's audio balance slider and set it to center. Imbalance there mimics a dead side. Finally, install any firmware update. Finish by testing each earbud individually. Remove one and play audio, then swap which bud is in each ear. If the faulty audio follows a specific earbud when you swap, the bud is defective. If it stays on the same side, the case or pairing channel may be at fault. If none of these steps restore stereo sound, try a factory reset again and retry firmware updates. Troubleshooting tip: if the fault follows the earbud, stop trying resets and arrange warranty repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.